Dear students, welcome back to the English class. In this short video, I have for you once again the revision questions from part 1, part 2 and part 3. Hope so you have studied and you are ready for your examination. So here are the revision questions from the part 1. I'll read with the questions once again one by one. You can concentrate and you can listen the reading. Filling the blanks, the dash lived in a small cottage near a great forest in Germany. So the answer is grandmother. And I can ask the question in this format also. The grandmother lived in a small cottage near a great forest in dash. And what should be your answer, children? Germany. Hans put the dash in the hay cart. What is the answer? Hans put the needle in the hay cart. And Hans put the needle in the dash. Hans put the needle in the, what should be the answer, children? In the hay cart should be your answer. Coming to the next one. Hans put the dash carefully inside his sleeve. Knife. Hans put the knife carefully inside his dash. Answer is sleeve. In this format there are many of nearly 20 filling the blanks given in revision part 1. Try to read them properly, and I have asked and I have showed you the 3 questions how I can give you the questions. I can give in here in the beginning also the answer you can write. Otherwise, at last also I can give you the dash where you should write the answer. So this is your revision. Here is the revision part 2. So you can once again read them and get ready. And this is your revision part 3, which I have said you to revise it on Sunday. And your page numbers were mentioned. And even what you need to revise. So the page number along with the mains and the numbers were given for you. So these are the mains, first and second main. So kindly practice the revision part 1, part 2, part 3 properly and get ready for today's examination. So there is no homework for today. Only you need to read, study and get ready for today's paper. Thank you.